Inflation is falling fast. That's why the Fed was able to skip a rate hike this month. It is just a matter of time before mortgage rates drop. If higher interest rates have put your home buying dreams on hold, we need to discuss your options and formulate a plan together. Hi there, it's Vicky Bryant with eXp Realty with my weekly roundup of the national and local real estate news for South Metro Atlanta. If you have any questions about your specific market area, feel free to call me for a detailed discussion of the local market conditions. All my contact info is in the description box below this video. Now let's get to the national real estate news for the week. So the dreams versus reality in the real estate market right now. With higher mortgage rates, high home prices, and limited supply of homes available for sale, the market can be really frustrating right now, especially for first-time home buyers, but also for upgraders. But don't give up. Owning a home provides comfort, security, and it builds long-term wealth. The right home is out there, and I can help you find it. And I can show you how we can look whether other buyers are not looking. And if you want to learn more about how I can give you an edge as a buyer in today's market, call, text, or email me, and I will be happy to explain all of the details. Next on the agenda is the hawkish pause of the interest rates from the Fed this week. Both the producer price inflation, the PPI, sitting at 1.1% in May, and the consumer price inflation index, CPI, sitting at 4% in May, are tumbling down right now. And this gave the Fed the wiggle room to skip a rate hike on June 14. But the Fed's commentary and the forecast suggest that another 1 to 2 hikes could be in the near future if the core inflation, which is at 5.3% right now, doesn't get down closer to their target 2%. And last but not least, the unlucky number 7 again. For the fourth time in 9 months, the average 30-year mortgage rates have moved near or about 7%. This happened despite the major progress on taming inflation and the Fed skipping a rate hike after 10 straight hikes, 500 BPS in total. So needless to say, the bond market is behaving rather strangely. But as inflation is fading further into the rest of the year, chances are highly likely that interest rates will follow the same downward trend. And this pretty much means that all those buyers who were sitting on the sidelines are going to flood the market. So what's happening with our local market trends? I am talking about Kilwood and Fayette County, and here I am going to focus on 4 cities. I'm going to focus on Newnan, Peachtree City, Sonoy, and Fayetteville. And we're going to be talking about the current list price, like the median list price. We are also going to discuss the active listings or what's available for sale right now, the new listings that came on the market for the last 5 days, and also the median days on market, or how long is it taking for a home to get sold in today's market. So let's get started. Newnan, Georgia. The median list price in Newnan is sitting at $476,900 right now. In Newnan, right now, there are 257 homes available for sale. For the past 5 days, 31 new homes entered the market in Newnan, Georgia, which is pretty significant. That's the highest out of all 4 cities. And the median days on market for Newnan is 36 days. So it takes 36 days to sell a home in Newnan right now. Peachtree City. Peachtree City's median list price is currently sitting at a bit less than $600,000. There are 50 homes available for sale in Peachtree City right now. If you are a buyer in Peachtree City right now, you really need to be on your game because it's going to be very competitive. For the past 5 days, Peachtree City only gained 7 new listings. And the median days on market for a home to get sold in Peachtree City is 24. So homes are selling pretty quick in Peachtree City. And if yours is not selling, then there's something wrong and we need to talk about it. Sonoy, Georgia. So the median list price in Sonoy, Georgia is sitting at $585,140 right now. Sonoy, Georgia has 120 active listings, and for the past 5 days, there was 13 new homes that entered the market and are available for sale in Sonoy, Georgia. The median days on market for a home to be sold in Sonoy is sitting at 55 days. Now, I want to make a distinction here. When you're looking at the median days on market for Sonoy, Georgia, you need to keep one thing in mind that's going to be very important and may skew those numbers for you. There is a lot of new construction in Sonoy, Georgia, and it normally takes longer to close on a brand new home, and brand new homes are getting listed on the market before they're even built. So keep that in mind if you're shopping in Sonoy, Georgia. Make sure to rely on your real estate professional for more accurate information on the days on market for Sonoy, Georgia. Moving on to Fayetteville, Georgia. So currently the median list price for Fayetteville, Georgia is sitting at $495,450. Fayetteville, Georgia has 164 homes for you to choose from if you're shopping in Fayetteville, Georgia. The new listings that Fayetteville gained for the past 5 days is 15. And the median days on the market for Fayetteville, Georgia is sitting at 35 days. So as you can see, just about all of these markets are very, very competitive, especially Peachtree City. That wraps up our weekly roundup of the national and the local real estate news. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do me a favor, hit that like button on your screen. It doesn't cost you a dime and it's very quick to do. And if you want to be updated on a weekly basis on what's happening with the national real estate trends and what's happening in your local market right here in Fayette and Coweta County, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I will be here every week.